This is a continuation of the previous video on circles. In particular, we look at the equations of circles, center, the origin, 0, 0, and radius arc. The equation of such circles is x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. So we are talking of a circle, center, the origin, with a point P, x, y, and radius r. If the center is not the origin, maybe it's a point AB, and we have a point x, y on the circle, and radius r, then the equation is x minus 1 squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared. So these are the standard equation of a circle, center AB. Note that they are the same. When A is 0, then we have x squared. When B is 0, we have y squared is equals to r squared. So for example, if you look at this one, x squared plus y squared is equals to 7. This is the circle, center 0, 0, and radius root 7. If you look at x squared plus y squared is equals to that 6. This is the equation of a circle, center 0, 0, and the radius is 6 units. If the center of the circle is 3, 4, and the radius is 5 units, then the equation will be x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equals to 25. And that's the standard equation of a circle. Now suppose the center of the circle is negative 5, 2. That is, A is negative 5, B is 2, and it is of radius 3 units. Then, using the standard equation, we shall have x plus 5 squared plus y minus 2 squared is equals to 9. Note that you can expand the standard equation to get the general equation. If you expand that, you'll get x squared plus 10x plus 25 plus y squared minus 4y plus 4 is 9. If you organize it, you get x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 4y plus 20 is equals to 0. And it is of the form ax squared plus bxy plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equals to 0. In our previous video, you have come across that. Suppose you are given the general equation of a circle. Can you write it as a standard equation? So from general to standard equation of a circle. For example, x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 10y minus 4 is equals to 0. Can we write it as a standard equation? X minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to 9. So what you do, you rearrange those terms. We start with those with x, and then with those with y, and the constants, we take it to the right hand side of the equal sign. So the constant here is negative 4, so when it crosses over, it becomes positive 4. Then we have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 10y is equals to 4. Then we complete the circle, complete the square for each of the terms x and y. So for x squared minus 8x, we add a k1 plus y squared plus 10y, we add another k2, such that we complete the circle, the square, for y squared plus 10y, and we complete this other square, x squared minus 8x. And remember, since we have added k1, we need to add k1 and k2 to both sides. So k1 will be b over 2 squared, where our b is negative 8. over 2 squared, and that will give us negative 4 squared. K2 will be b over 2, where b is 10 over 2 squared is equals to 5 squared. Note that the coefficient of x squared is 1, and the coefficient of y squared is 1. And therefore, we shall have K1 as negative 4 squared, and K2 as 5 squared. Note that we have completed the square, because x squared minus 8x plus minus 4 squared can simply be written as x minus 4 squared. Again, y squared plus 10y, K2 is 5 squared. This can also be written as y plus 5 squared is equals to 4 plus 16, that's negative 4 squared, plus 25, 5 squared. And this will give you 40, 45 on the right hand side. So now this one is in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is r squared, where a and b are the center. So where AB is the center of the circle. And in this case, our a is 4 and our b is negative 5. So the center of this circle is 4, negative 5, and the radius will be the root of 45, since r squared is 45. So the center of this circle is 4, negative 5, and the radius is root 45 units.